InforOS has changed. It replaces Mingle, and it's the central hub for managing tasks, workflows, and data across multiple Infor applications. The portal offers a customizable interface. This interface allows users to create and organize their own experience to increase their productivity and efficiency. On the top left is the navigation menu. We like to call this the waffle, which expands into workspaces, applications, and bookmarks. On the top right, it's the user menu. And here we can see the Smart Panel. In the Smart Panel, we can see widgets. In the prior version of the portal, this was our context menu. Now we have access to widgets that we can see on the right-hand side of the screen anytime. By clicking on the widgets icon in the Smart Panel, it will expand. There's a pop-out menu to create a separate window. This may be helpful if we're working with multiple monitors. Closing this window will cause the Smart Panel to go right back to the right-hand side of the screen. Widgets work in tandem with the primary application. In this example, I have the process journal screen open in Financials and Supply Management. I've highlighted a journal entry, and I want to attach supporting documentation to the entry. By using the Related Information widget, I can easily drag a document from a folder into the widget and associate an attachment with this entry. We can add new widgets to our Smart Panel. If I have not created an Insight group yet, I would first create one. An Insight group is a set of widgets associated with an open application and are role-based. By expanding on the Widgets menu and selecting Add, I can add an Insight group by providing a name. And clicking OK. Once my Insight group has been created, I can simply click the Add Widget button to bring up a catalog. Here I will search for the Related Information widget, which allows me to attach supporting documents to a transaction. I click Add Widgets, and I can close the widget catalog. When I have finished, I click the Save icon. The Smart Panel has an icon for Smart Help. This is a question mark under the widgets icon. Smart Help will bring up related documentation to the application and screen I'm working in. In this example, while in the Process Journals page, I can see the Infor Content tab of Smart Help, all information that's relevant to the task at hand. If I have multiple widgets, I can customize how my Smart Panel appears by dragging on the left-hand side to expand it. Now my widgets appear side by side. I can see bookmarks, task lists, and my inbox without having to scroll. Looking at the waffle, the navigation menu, we can drag menu items using their handles on the left side. Dragging menu items helps reduce the number of clicks when accessing frequently used applications. I always want my FSM application to be at the top since I use it the most. I may want BIFSM under that. I can log out, and when I log back in, my applications and the order in which they appear have been saved. This is very helpful. I may want bookmarks, applications, or workspaces to be in a different order in my navigation menu. I can click on the menu settings icon and change the display order of the menu items by dragging their handles. In this case, I want my bookmarks to appear at the top. I can have multiple workspaces and applications open in InforOS. They appear as multiple tabs across the top. Each tab has a chevron or drop-down menu. I can bookmark a particular page, pin the tab so that it always appears when I log in. I can set a tab as my home or remove it as my home. If this workspace or application is set as my home, it will be active and be the first thing displayed when I log back in. Thank you for watching this brief presentation on the differences in InforOS.